Okay sir, may challenge ako sa'yo. It's called 3 strokes for 3 strokes. Make a 3 on your scorecard sa kahit anong butas ng round natin. Bibigyan ka ng cap. So, anong name nyo, sir?
Northern Kami.
Good luck.
Okay, thank you, sir.
O ito, sir. Kaya mo nang i-par to. Ma-par mo to. Sayong-sayo na yung cap. You know? Wow. Wow. Nice shot. Okay.
For the cap. For the 3 and the cap.
You know? Nice shot.
Okay. 3 sticks this close. Matic. It's an automatic birdie. Automatic cap.
Wow. Napala kasi dito lang dapat dito nagland sa gitna Wow. Uy! Wow! Grabe naman yun. Nice par. Wow! Nice! Galing naman nun. Wow! Nice shot.
For the cap. For par.
Nice par. Grabe. Nice. Mamaya sir, kita na lang tayo dun sa booth. Tapos pili ka na lang ng cap na gusto mo.
Lahat magaganda, pero mas feel ko tong blue.
Yung blue.
Yeah. Thank you. 3 stroke.
Yan. Okay, thank you. Ay, congrats sir, congrats.
Salamat.
3 strokes for 3 strokes. Let's start the show.